Welcome back to our discussions. We are presenting Kcse 2024, Paper 1, question number 3. A straight line L1 whose equation is y is equal to 2 minus a third x meets the y-axis at point Q. Another straight line L2 is perpendicular to L1 at Q. Find the equation of L2 in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constants. We are going to start by writing the equation of L1 in form of y is equal to mx plus c. In this case, we are going to have y being equal to, we start with minus a third, x plus 2. From here now we can get the gradient of line 1, which is going to be negative a third. We know line 1 is perpendicular to line 2 at a point Q. We are going to use the gradient of line 1 to get the gradient of line 2. For perpendicular lines, we know m1 multiplied by m2 will give us negative 1. m1 is negative a third. We multiply by m2 and this one gives us negative 1. If you divide by negative a third on both sides, m2 is going to be positive 3. From here now we can get the coordinates of point Q. And to get the coordinates of point Q, we know line 1 meets the y-axis at point Q, and we know at y-axis the value of x is usually 0. So we can take the equation here, y is equal to negative a third, x plus 2. We use it to get the y coordinates. Y therefore is going to be negative a third, x, and the value of x is 0, plus 2, giving us the y coordinate as 2. Once you get the y coordinate, we can pick this point, which is this point Q, which is 0, 2. We pick another point xy and the gradient, which is 3, to get the equation. To get the equation, we take y minus the value of y, which is 2, divided by x minus the value of x, which is 0. That gives us x, and this one will be equal to 3. We can rationalize this by putting it over 1, then we cross multiply. 1 times y minus 2, you get y minus 2, being equal to 3 times x, which is 3x. In form of y is equal to mx plus c, minus 2 goes to the other side, and y becomes equal to 3x plus 2, and this becomes the equation of line 2. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.